witness.
Hello guys, night view of Niagara Falls. Dito kami, we're here at the parking lot here at the what they call that parking here, Table Rock parking, and so we can view better than going down there. You can go down there, it's there it's a little bit crowded, so we want to stay here a bit elevated so we can watch the fireworks tonight at 10 o'clock. In a few minutes the fireworks will start. Yan. So there you go. We're actually waiting for the fireworks to begin. And that's the Niagara Falls, USA Falls. And I don't want to take a video of the falls because I was copyrighted. I don't know why. So I will just stop videoing when the fireworks will start. Okay guys, so there you go. There are still people. Even September 18, today is September 18 night. Usually lesser and lesser people are coming here now because it's you know, getting colder. But it's a little bit warm today. It's negative. It's 21 degrees Celsius. So still lots of people here. But during the summertime, there's no space. It's really full. It's really full during the summertime. Well, we are still on summertime, but it's ending. Do you see? See, in this area, there's no people, nobody there, because the fireworks will be on that side, So they're waiting too for the fireworks to start. And guys, and with me is my husband, of course. Come on. Nasaan yung flashlight mo? Turn it on. Yeah, like that. May flashlight kami. We have flashlight here. There you go. So there's my face. So there you go. It's a little bit clearer than my face. So yeah, we parked on that side, that way, at Table Rock parking lot, and you see that's Marriott Hotel. See, I can see that's the Marriott Hotel. And the tower, where is it? That's the Tower Hotel. Can't read that one, I don't know. Nag-reflect sa ilaw. So, and that's the Embassy Suite. Okay, so those are 4 hotels there. 1, 2, 3 actually. 3. And some others. Actually, ano ba yan? Yung casino. That's casino. See guys, natakpan siya ng ano. That's also a hotel by the casino. Natakpan siya ng malalaking puno, guys. Oh, if I move closer, ay okay siya, ano? Pero kung i-zoom out ko ay dark. I don't know. So we keep like that. Zoom na lang siya. Yes, guys. Oh, see? That's the old casino, you know. Yun, diba? Yun ang old casino. Am I right? Sheraton. That's Sheraton Hotel pala, guys. That's Sheraton Hotel. Okay. I have to end my video here because in 2 minutes, I guess, the fireworks will start. I don't want to take a video because I took a video before and I received an email that it's not, I have to delete it. So okay guys, thank you so much always for your mga followers, subscribers, and relatives who are watching our video, or sometimes dumaan sa kanila yung video and then they watch it even a few seconds, and that's still fine. Thank you so much. You have a good day, guys. Bye bye.